Hello there friends, and welcome to another video in our series on how to create a custom WordPress theme from scratch for a software services agency. And in this video, we're just going to add some basic styling to our pages. In last video, we created a bunch of pages and some page templates, and also included an image here. So last video we created a lot of different page templates here just to show you how to do it. Now we actually don't need a page template because all the pages here are gonna look the same. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just work from our page.php from now on, and in the back end I'm going to change I'm gonna remove the page templates in the background. What for those I don't need. All right, so in this video, just some basic styling for our website. For the pages, for example, put the title, page title up here on the picture, and also fit the picture a little bit better. And here's the footer.php. We're gonna deal with that later. All right, so let's go to our backend, and the first thing we need to do in our page.php is I'm going to do what I did with the in the page about template. But the difference here is I'm going to make the image a background image. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to create a variable. So instead of having a and the PHP tag after the post, let's create a variable. I'm going to call it URL, and then we need a WordPress function called vp underscore get attachment and let's see, attachment. So underscore URL, and now we need a get underscore post underscore thumbnail, like so, and this takes in a parameter, the post variable, and from the post variable we need the ID, so each thumbnail goes to the right page, then semicolon at the end, and then we end the PHP tag right here. And under here I'm going to create another class. I'm going to call it overlay, and in this overlay we are going to open up another PHP class tag, sorry, and here we are going to echo another class called div class showcase image. That's where we're going to display our image, and then the style here is background image, and the URL for this one is going to be the variable we created called URL. Now you can call this variable whatever you want. That's up to you. And let's do so. And anything else that's wrong? No. Right, and then semicolon at the end. All right, and then under this, we need first we need showcase header underscore double underscore header, and in here let's bring in PHP tag, and here we need the title. So just gonna cut out that one and paste it in. That's the title, and we'll wrap it around an h2 tag, like so. All right, so that's pretty much that. And then we don't need a content standard, I guess. Yes, we do need that, I think. For now, actually, I'm going to change that to perhaps section. It looks exactly what I wanted there. Section. So that's that, right? And then the content up here, so it looks a little bit better. Like so and so. Let's save that. See what that one does. Let's refresh. Actually, I need to change back here as well. Let's remove the template to default template there. And let's update this guy, see what it does. Any changes here? Get post thumbnail. Get post thumbnail ID. Should it be? Let's refresh. See, okay, right. So now you can see we get an image here. It doesn't look great, but you can see the about text automatically gets inside this on top of this image. So we can style this one here. All right. Now what we need to do here is we need to style basic styling. So let's open up our style sheet here. And under here, let's make another comment. Let's do, it's gonna start with the main body, the pages. The comment, just write down pages. Okay, and then let's do showcase image, like so. And then let's do opacity 0.8, and then height, I want 75 view height. Then background size for this one is the cover. Then background position, like so. Also center. And then we need to display. It's going to be flex. Center stuff here. And the flex direction is column. And align items, center, and justify content, center. Let's save that, see what it does. All right, so now look at that. Looks much better. We get the title here. Don't mind this footer here. We're gonna deal with that a bit later. Okay, so after doing the showcase image, what we're gonna do here is the overlay. So let's do overlay. And the position for that one is going to be relative. And the width will be 100%. And height, once again, that's 75 view height. And the background, the variable should be container background color. And let's save that, see what that one does. All right, so a little bit darker background here. So the white text, it pops up a little bit. So if you have a bright picture, this one here, title will be more visible. Next, we're gonna do here is the showcase header. Showcase header, and the color is going to be white. Font size is going to be 4M. Then text transform, because I want the uppercase, and then the letter spacing the space between each letter 1 pixel like this. Okay, let's save that. Let's refresh, and we got see we got a little bigger here. Cool. That's that. Now next thing is just do the section, and the section just text align, center, the padding 20 pixels, and the letter spacing down here as well. It's going to be 1 pixel. Let's save that and refresh. All right, let's see, refresh. Okay, good. That's that for this one here. Actually, we need to go back here to our page.php. The content. Let's see. We open up our inspector. Let's take a look. Get the overlay and section. Oh wait, I put the whole overlay in here. So we need a p tag. Let's see, section, and then let's do p tag. Let's see what that does. Let's see, why is this not happening? Oh wait, it's the CIY content standard. Let's see if I'll read. Okay. Section. So we need. Oh yeah, we need this class here apparently. So let's do that. So instead of p tag, let's just below here. Let's add CIY master content standard, and in here just do text align center, then letter spacing 1 pixel, then font size 1.2 m, and then for the headers, if there's any, that's the CIY underscore content standard h2, and the margin should be 20 pixels, and then let's do DIY underscore standard there p tags, and the margin bottom 20 pixels. Let's save and let's refresh again. All right, so now this jumps into the middle. So that's that. Nice. All right, I'm gonna handle the footer a bit later. So one thing we need to do here as well is to push this one up to GitHub. I forgot to do that in my last video, so let's push it all up there. So let's open up the commander or a terminal or a prompt or whatever you have. But I'm using commander. So let's cd into our little project. So let's see, on cd 64. There's too many. Then got the software services, I think. Yes, and let's cd into our VP content folder, and then from here let's go to themes. Oops. The themes, and then we have to get into our software services theme there. So cd software services. Okay, so now you can see we're on the master origin. So let's do git status. Right, so these are the files that have been added, so we need to add. And then we need to add this file here, folder, page templates and everything in there. So we're going to add everything. So I'm going to do git add -a. All right, now let's do git commit. with a message, added pages and page templates. Okay, and hit enter. All right, so this is our stage here. So now we need to just do a git push like this, and it's pushing up there. Right, nice. Now let's just check it. So git status. All right, so everything looks fine there. So nothing to commit. All right. So that's that for this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.